And like that, we're done. You create an AI study buddy that's tailored just for you, then personalize it by uploading your actual course materials. Then, awesome enough, you discover bot stacking, something that's completely unique to BoodleBox, bringing in different AI experts to work together in one conversation. You organize everything into folders so you can find it fast when you're cramming at 2 a.m. And then you learn the same study skills that will work for anything, planning trips, organizing projects, or whatever you need in the future. Then, you build your own custom study bot that remembers your classes and learning styles. No more re-explaining things every single time you open up a chat. Here's the thing, you didn't just learn how to use a tool, you got your hands dirty and learned how AI actually works. You're not just using AI, you're becoming an AI expert. You can share your custom bots with your study group so everyone benefits. You're building these skills that'll help you in every class you take, every job and every challenge you face. You've got the skills, you got the tools, and now go use them to crush it out there. Congrats and welcome to the BoodleBox family. We cannot wait to see what you create.